There's money all over the place. I mean, it's literally showering $100 bills. Money is too easy to make, and money is coming to your life fast. Here are 8 signs that it's happening right now. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals, reminding you to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon, and that way you'll be sure to get our latest video on prosperity, on love, on happiness, on abundance, on wealth, through the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences and ancient mystery teaching. So, money. I believe that right now there is a flow of money happening. There's a flow of money. And if you're not getting wet from that money, from that river of money, if you're not being splashed on right now, then you need to get a little bit closer to the riverbank, because right now money is flowing everywhere. People are literally becoming rich overnight. I'm going to share with you 8 signs that money is coming to you right now. These are positive signs that money is going to show up in your life, maybe because of something you did, maybe because of something you didn't do. But money is showing up in your life very, very soon. Sign number 1. I love this sign because this is the one that has the most impact with me. When I start seeing signs of wealth, I start seeing expensive cars, I start seeing limousines, especially beautiful white stretch limos. When I start seeing limousines everywhere, I go, why am I seeing a limousine here out in the country? I'm taking a country drive and there's a limousine passing me. And I'm going, my gosh, this is the universe speaking with you, saying that money is now filling your bank account. Money is coming your way. Money is filling your wallet. Hang on, because money is coming to you fast. When you see signs of wealth, that's a sure sign that money is on the way. High flyers, number 2 is that you've become a person of great responsibility. People are coming to you from every direction, from every angle, asking you for your advice, asking you how to do things, asking you how to accomplish something. And that has put you in a position of being in demand. You are moving to a place of becoming more and more and more in demand. And as you become more in demand, guess what goes along with it? Oh yeah, money. Now, sign number 3 is that for some reason, you don't even know why perhaps, but for some reason, you've hit a vibrational frequency where you are no longer worried about money. You're just not worried about money anymore. You just know that money is flowing into your life. It's coming to you easily and effortlessly. You are not struggling anymore. You just know that money always comes to you. And if you have to spend money, or if you have to repair something and you have a lot of money going out, you just say, hey, more's coming in. You just have this easy feeling about money. And that's a wonderful place, because that's saying that you're in alignment with wealth, that you're in alignment with abundance, that you're in alignment with prosperity. And that's a wonderful place to be. That's a sign, a sure sign that money is flowing into your life. Well, high flyers, sign number 4 kind of goes along with sign number 3. Sign number 4 is you're certain that money is easy to make. That contrary to what your parents may have taught you, what you learned early on in life, what you may have been taught in school, money is easy to make. There's money everywhere. I mean, there's money literally everywhere. Everywhere I turn, I can see money. There's money all over the place. The universe is filled with infinite wealth, and you are a co-creator of your reality. So you're tapping into this infinite wealth. You are absolutely certain that money is easy to make. And so because of this certainty, because of this inner knowingness, you're attracting money easily. Look, when I seek out to manifest something, high flyers, and I say, this is what I'm manifesting right here. There's no resistance. I don't put up any resistance. Now, there may be natural resistance that just happens, but I don't put up any resistance. I don't have any doubts, any fears that this is going to happen. And that's where you are getting to. You're at that place now. When you're at that place, money is absolutely easy to attract into your life. So high flyers, speaking of resistance, and I was speaking of the fact that I just don't have that resistance anymore. I did when I was younger. I don't now. But listen, if you want to get rid of that resistance, if you want it to be gone forever, if you want to literally take positive action to start eradicating that resistance out of your life, we do a full moon clearing and healing. It's free. It's a gift. Rachel and I are always looking for ways of paying back our community. And so visit us for the full moon, www.clearingandhealing.com, and register for the full moon clearing and healing. It's a wonderful experience. And if you do it every month, you're constantly being cleared and allowing energy to flow between you and your goals and your desires. Number 5 is you're seeing the number 1111 or 3 ones, but preferably 1111. You're seeing it everywhere. People are writing me and they're going, Robert, look at, they're taking snapshots of where they're seeing it at. And they're seeing 1111 or 777, or for some people, even 888. They're seeing those sequences over and over and over again. And remember, the universe doesn't speak English. It doesn't speak Japanese. It speaks mathematics. It speaks vibration. So by seeing those numbers, the universe is sending you clear and concise signs that money is flowing into your life right now. Well, number 6 is very simple. Money has come to you already. I learned years and years ago in Las Vegas when I was working with a blackjack dealer who had come up with a system of how to win at the game of blackjack. He was a dealer. He'd been a dealer for 30 years, and he had taken copious notes. And he said, basically, when you win, you're going to continue to win. When you lose, you're going to continue to lose until something changes that energy. And he said, that's why the house is always looking to shift the energy when somebody's winning. And I know that because I've sat at a blackjack table and been winning thousands of dollars. And the house changes colored decks. They want to change tables. They'll even change the music playing through the intercom. They will change everything. They'll have the drink lady stop by more often to kind of take me out of state. And it's all designed to change state. It's an NLP term. And that's whether the casinos understand NLP or not, I don't know, but they do understand energy flow. So when money has already come to you, when you're getting money, when money is flowing, that means more money is going to continue to flow. And so if you have a situation where you find or win or obtain $10. Know that another 10 is coming, and then a 20, and a 50, and 100, and keep thinking in those terms. Build the momentum like you would build a snowball, okay? When money is coming to you, that's a sure sign that more money is coming to you. Number 7 is that you are passionately, on fire with what you desire. Fire with what you desire. Oh, I like that. You're on fire with what you desire. You're more passionate, more on fire than ever before. And so when you get to that state where you wake up and you go, I don't know, I had the alarm set for 6:30, I got up at 5. Because you're passionate to get excited, to get going, to get accomplishing. And all of a sudden you look at your clock and it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you're still writing, you're still working, you're still doing it, you're still planning it. Oh, you're filled with passion. You're filled with energy. You're filled with excitement. And that's a sure sign that copious amounts of cash are flowing into your life. And finally, you're having more dreams. Number 8, you're having more dreams of being wealthy. You're dreaming that you're in a limo or a new car or a motorcycle or a boat. You're dreaming that you've moved into a new home. You're dreaming of wealth. Yeah, it begins with a dream, doesn't it? And then it manifests into physical reality. That's a huge sign, especially if you're having those dreams over and over and over again. That's a wonderful, beautiful sign. You wake up in the morning and go, okay, I'm closer than I realized to having the wealth that I deserve and I desire. And you do deserve it. You are worthy of the wealth that you desire. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.